The sash window, historically, as far as I know, has never been patented. It's all over Europe, people lay claim to the first window being made there, etc. But basically, mid-17th century was brought over to the UK, so we started seeing the first sash windows at Hampton Court, places like that, etc. So quite opulent places. The sash windows are very good for air circulation. The top sash opens, the bottom sash opens, you can get a good ventilation. The sash windows were, as I say, introduced in the mid-17th century. One thing to note as well, around 1660, chords, weights and balances were introduced. So prior to that, we still had a sash window, but it used to work with pegs or chocks to keep it open. And in some cases in France, it was actually known as the guillotine window for obvious reasons.